Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a computer producing factory has only two plants, T1 and T2. So, suppose that you have two branches where you produce computers. Okay, plant T1 produces 20%. Great, 20%. Plant T2 produces 80% of the total computer produced. Great. Okay, so suppose that it is plant T1 and this is plant T2. So in this plant production is 20%. Okay, production is 80%. Now 7% of the computers produced in the factory turn out to be defective. So altogether the defective computers is 7% altogether. Okay, it is not because of T1 or T2, it is together. Like suppose after producing 100 computers it is found that 7 of them are defective. This is the idea. It is known that P probability computer turns out to be defective given that it is being produced in T1. Okay, so look at this, what I am writing. Probability defective from T1 is equal to 10 times probability of computer turn out to be defective given that it is produced in plant T2. Defective from T2. Okay, so this is the idea. Now look at this. Now we will extract some information. You know that altogether it is 7%. Okay, so suppose that it is 7%. 7% means what? Okay, 7% altogether. Okay, so this is defective because of both. Now we will talk about defective because of defective because of T1 plus defective because of T2. Okay, now suppose that the this probability is x. Okay, the probability of defective computer from plant T2 is x. So can I say that the defective computer produced in plant T1 will become 10x? Okay, so you know that there are 20%, like out of all the computers 20% is being produced in T1. So can I say that 20% of 10x contribution because of plant T1 and 80% of because of plant T2? Okay, now simplify things. So we have 7 by 100. If you'll observe, everywhere it is 100, so 100 will be neutralized. So it is 20 into 10x plus 80 into x. Okay, so we have, it is 80, it is 200. So 280x 740. So x is what? 1 by 40. Okay, what does this means? Probability of defective computer from plant T2 is 1 by 40. Is that okay? Now look at this. Can I say that probability of defective computer from plant T1, T1 was what? 10x. So it is 10 times. So 10 by 40. So this we got. So this many information we have extracted till this information. Now, where PE denotes the probability that the event E, okay, P we know, a computer produced in the factory is randomly selected. So you are selecting a computer randomly and it does not turns out to be defective, means it is good one. Okay, then the probability that it is being produced in plant T2, look at this, you are trying, you have combination of so many computers, means so many computer will be from plant T1 and then so many computer will be of plant T2, and then you have selected, and now you are coming back that you are answering that this computer is being selected from T2. So you are coming back now, it is not you have selected and you stopped, you are coming back now checking whether it is from T1 or not, T2 or not. So coming back means it is Bayes theorem. Now look at this, how I will handle this situation. So my idea is required probability. Look at this. Can I say that we have selected good computer from plant in place of plant I want to write P. So suppose that it is a good computer from plant T1 or good computer from plant T2. You have to find out the probability that the good computer belongs to plant T2. So good computer from plant T2. This probability you have to calculate. Okay? I hope the idea is clear. Now look at this. Now try to understand that you have to select good computer from plant T1. So the defective computer, the probability of defective computer from plant T2 is what? T1 is what? 10 by 40. So good will become what? 30 by 40. Okay. So it is 30 by 40. Now in plant T1 you have produced how many computers? It is 20% computers. So can I say that it is 20 by 100? Okay. Now look at this. Good computer from plant T2. The probability of having defective computer from plant T1 is this. So the probability of getting good computer will become what? 1 minus defective. And 1 minus defective is what? 39 by 40. Okay. Now you have to select a computer from plant T2. So plant T2 produces how many computers? It is 80%. So it is 80 by 100. Okay. Now you have to write down the second component. So you can copy paste, it is 39 by 40 into 80 by 100. Now you can simplify things and you will get your required result done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.